Hi, folks. So I have this challenge with GitHub CI where if I want to block a, a merge when anything fails, what I usually have to do is go to general, go to branches, and then add branch protection rule. And now let's call that branch protection main. And there require, let's see, pull request before merging. Always let's do that. Require status checks. And then here you will have to go over your status checks, right? Let's say this one, right? And each one you have to go and add one by one, right? Like if that happened, if I just type something random, that's not gonna find it. It has to be some job that ran before. So if I want branch protection for this thing, then I have to go to my CI. One second, I have that right here. Okay. So I have to go to my CI. I have to identify each job. Okay, we should pass for linting, type checking, and imagine the craziness when you have Cypress parallelization, and then you have to specify, it should run password this and that. So what you end up doing with GitHub is that, let's say you have some YAML, right? You have some parallelization. You usually what you do is some custom job all the way at the end. Make sure all these passed, and then you only check that custom job, right? Which is, it's a workaround. We've been doing it. That's fine. It gets really painful with mono repos because in mono repos, again, we have many YAMLs and then they may condition later on. We have this situation, we have the mono repo, the app's condition run, but also within the app, certain different sections are run, right? So a layer and then another layer of randomness. And the only way you can make any sense of that is you have different YAML files and you have to name these jobs similarly. And then um, here at the branch protection settings, you have to have a certain string which catches all, right? Lots of overhead. All I want to do is if I have something red, don't merge the damn thing, right? It's that easy. GitHub doesn't have this. Every CI provider has it, but GitHub doesn't have it. So I was looking for something. Obviously, you can see there's no branch protection here. So to simulate the things that happen in the real world, I have this YAML. So not only it executes randomly, it also fails, right? So this is exactly like a monorepo situation where it sometimes runs and then sometimes fails, right? So that's good for a test. Anyway, we have that job. Now it failed. We're able to merge. So I have the merge gatekeeper action. It's quite easy to use. The instruction is that you curl it and then it generates this YAML. Or you can just copy paste it. So the way it looks like is it's just merge gatekeeper, and then it needs to take this GitHub token. You don't have to specify anything for this. It's just that you also have this kind of thing in your Cypress jobs, I think. GitHub token. If you have parallelization settings, you have it. You usually want this with Cypress in case people retry the CI, which is a horrible thing. But what this enables is when they retry it, it doesn't start like a new Cypress Cloud run. Anyway, so all you need is that, nothing to specify there, just this, whether you name your main branch master or main. So this is going to run on PR checks, and the name will be that. Okay, so all we do is add that YAML and then go to settings, and over there, merge gatekeeper, right? So I'll remove that one. As now we have branch protection. Now we go here, refresh, and it blocks it. Wonderful. All right, so what does that mean? You add a simple YAML, okay? A simple YAML, nothing more. And you add one job to your branch protection, not like 15 other, no matching job names, no conditional job that runs at the end that captures everything. One job and one and done. This is a simple feature that was lacking in GitHub Action, and thankfully there is some action for it that we can use, then it's much better, right? Right, it's perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. So I'll link the PR so you can take a look. And I think, yeah, this should be in every single repository where GitHub Actions being used. Just slap this in right there, and then go and add it into the settings in branch protection, and you're done. That's all. Thanks.